Love someone and they'll just give you hell.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing awesome. So today's video is another collaboration with RPGSHOW, and here I'm just basically showing you guys all the box came with. It came with some conditioners for your wigs, a wax stick or flyaway tamer, this magazine that has a ton of their wigs, and also how to care for your units. It came with an elastic band to lay your edges, a wig cap, and a wig pocket, which will be great for storing your units. Now onto the wig itself. Now I love RPGSHOW because they literally pack the wigs like it's, you know, some luxury brand, which I think it is because their wigs are not cheap. So this is the unit straight out of the box. As you guys can see, this unit comes with the lace already pre-bleached and pre-plucked. Another thing is the combs come with a Velcro attachment, so you can easily take them off when if you don't want to use the combs, because sometimes combs can be annoying and put pressure on your scalp. So this is great because you don't have to cut it off, you can just pop it on and off. So this is a full lace wig with an added stretch net to the back of the head to make it more comfortable to wear. I'll have all the information in the description box. And it comes with an elastic band as well to secure your unit. And guys, can you guys see how this lace literally melted into my skin? And I will say that RPGSHOW definitely have one of the best lace on the market. And this unit comes with the upgraded pre-plucked and pre-bleached hairline. As you guys can see, it literally looks like it's growing out of my scalp. The knots are also invisible, and it's the real scalp technique. So this is also their new Glueless Fit 2.0 wig, and it's called the OP Hair 007. This unit is in 12 inches and it's in the Yaki straight texture. I love me a good Yaki straight texture because I just feel like it's one of the best textures for black girls. Like, I have the exact same unit but in a color black, and most times people think it's my natural hair. Now the density is a standard density. I would say that if you like a lot of hair, then you might want to go for the you know, more voluminous density. I don't know if they have like a second standard density, but yeah, it wasn't thin but it wasn't super full. I've had like fuller units from RPGSHOW. However, it's not a problem to me. I think it's great. So this unit is a 13x6 lace front wig. However, the back of the unit comes with a natural scalp, so you can part this down the middle. If I got a longer length, I feel like you guys would have seen the beauty more, but because it's a 12-inch bob, I don't see myself parting it down the middle.
Feelings that we can't keep to ourselves. Give yourself and hope it all goes well. Baby, this time I could do it better. Love someone and they'll just give you hell. Baby, I just wanna treat you well. Hope you don't leave nothing but a shell.
So installing this unit was really easy. As you guys can see, this isn't really a step-by-step tutorial. I'm just showing you what I always do. I push the hair by the ears back, and I just give it a good cut, and boom. Guys, cutting the lace on this unit was actually really hard because I could not see the lace. I always say this about RPGSHOW wigs. The lace is literally invisible. Okay, so you want to take your time and be very careful with this unit. And I did go ahead to wear this unit glueless. I only applied some hairspray to the ear tabs because I wanted it to lay flat, and this hair was melted into my skin. Now I do have a coupon code, which is Sharon, for $100 off, so I highly recommend you use my coupon code, and I will leave all of that information in the description box.
Love someone and they'll just give you hell. Feelings that we can't keep to ourselves. Give yourself and hope it all goes well. Baby, this time I could do it better. Love someone and they'll just give you hell. Baby, I just wanna treat you well. keep to ourselves. Give yourself and hope it all goes well. Maybe this time I could do it better. Love someone and they'll just give you warm lights on cold nights. Doesn't it feel right when we wake up, make love? I feel so paralyzed, choices I don't even want. Ooh, if you wanna just be honest and say so. Say you want me, let go. I've been feeling the same things. Oh, you just waiting. Doesn't matter where we go. I'll be for it. Love someone and they'll just give you hell. Oh,
overall, I really did like this unit. I mean, I don't think I have any unit from RPGSHOW that I do not like. They're super easy to install, super beginner friendly. They literally do everything for you. And it didn't come with a funny smell, it didn't shed, and because it's a Yaki straight texture, you literally only have to straighten it like once and then it will last till the next time you wash this unit. So I highly recommend this unit. I will have all the information linked in the description box. Please do check it out, and I will see you guys in my next video. God bless. Bye guys.